Hi Poppy and Wimpy. I'm here doing a UX testing of Ubuntu 2004. There was a number of issues that I noticed with the desktop, and I wanted to present them to you so you can see them. So the first thing that anyone who came and saw the initial screen would notice that one of the icons on the screen looks out of place. And of course, that's the icon for files. So files, it has this outline around the folder, and none of the other icons have such an outline around it. In addition to the outline, the folder is a light colored folder and the outline is also light colored. So in order for it to stand out well with this light colored outline, then it would need to be quite darker. So there are two options that could be done. First, it could be eliminating the outline so that it looks similar to all the other icons, or retaining the outline and changing the color so it stands out better on that background outline. So other than that, all the other things that I noticed were inside of the Show Applications display. So once you open it up, all the icons appear, and with the icons that appear, you can see their labels have the 3 dots at the end because the text is being cropped. But unfortunately, there's no tooltip to expand on what is being cropped. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 LibreOffice icons and labels, but they're all cropped, so you can't even tell which is which. You have 3 software labels, 1 which isn't cropped, 2 which are, and there's no real, you can look at the icon to try to distinguish what is what, but without a tooltip you can't really get it unless you want to trial and error. So another problem which is here is, if you see here, you have your frequent and all, and when the screen gets locked, these two disappear. So let's give that a try and see how it looks once it gets locked and coming out from the locking. Now that the screen is locked, we're going to move the mouse to unlock the screen, and you can see, like I mentioned, the frequent and all are no longer there. So that is one of the issues which comes with coming out of the lock screen. Another problem is when you try to close, what happens is you'll see here that it hasn't exited to the desktop. The activity is still open, which shouldn't be happening because that's not the norm. So I'm going to press escape and get back to the desktop. Show again, if you opened up the Show Applications, close it, it goes away. But after coming out of the lock screen, that no longer happens. Another issue with Show Applications, once you open it, you see they all come flying out from the Show Applications button. But when you close it, they all seem to be flying towards the Firefox, which seems strange. And those are some of the issues I noticed with a brief looking over of the desktop. So have a good one.